welcome back to the channel. Today it's mechanic time. We abandon the body that is wonderfully finished, and now we start with the mechanics. So this first work: wheels, tires, wash and take a look, because they are very old and very, you understand, here is hard and here not. Perhaps I will put a sponge inside. Rims to be painted, just painting. No ball bearings, but a little bit of oil. First of all, wheels. Then clean up. Then check the engine. Then all the electrics. I want to have a very old style car, like the beginning, not rechargeable cells receiver and battery for servo and receiver. Long antenna, and where to put it I have to manage, because I don't want to make holes in the body. Originally here there were the antenna from the bonnet, and there were a special antenna holder that I have but not here, and I don't want to put on the car because I don't like it absolutely. And perhaps I will manage to find a way to put a long antenna without seeing it, perhaps down into the car. Problems with distance? Maybe. Let's start the work, but before, comment, like and subscribe. This time I tell you comment, not don't comment, because I saw that telling you don't comment, you really don't comment, don't like and don't subscribe. And this is a great pity for me. I need subscribers, so please go and click the bell, click everything. And if you want, send me money too. I hope not to damage these writings, because they are superbly done. Fortunately, they are not glued. This has to be washed before painting. It looks a little bit melted. The front one not. Front one are in very good conditions. The rear, not so good. So perhaps in front I don't put sponge. On the rear a little bit, just to reinforce this part, to have full contact. Okay. Now I have to wash, to spray them, to mount tires. In front no glue, on the rear I'll see. Now I have to take away the pilot to undo, because it's glued, but it's two on the rear, so if I want to put the dashboard, there's too much distance between the steering wheel and the dashboard, so I have to. Okay, I will put here more in front, near. This will be better. The frame is in these conditions. The battery holder needs some care. The rear is perfect, but just a little bit dirt, except for the battery holder. That is not so nice. The speed controller looks new, and the engine gears are new. This car gears new. This car never worked. Let's go to wash rims and frame. Everything is clean. Washed fantastic. I'm very happy. Now a little bit of WD-40 on the engine, into the engine, because I used water. And rims ready to be painted. Front wheels perfect. Rear wheels very nice, but very soft. So I want to check with a spare and better, absolutely better. Goodyear, yes. What do? I keep this one, because this looks a little bit different, because they have these lines here, and this is, no, also this, but this is very, very, perhaps this, but I don't want to paint. Oh, I will not use this car, just a little test, half an hour, about half an hour, it depends from the battery, and with a little bit of sponge inside. Yes, I keep them. These return into the spare parts compartment. Okay, painting. First sprayed inside and now outside. Okay, let them dry, and in the meanwhile have prepared my sponge strips, and we put inside the tires like the modern RC cars. This is a little bit thick, but the rim inside has a lot of space. So, and this I think that could help. In fact, it's wonderful. It's still soft, but without the rim is softer. With the rim is harder. And these are two. Now I have to wait the rim to be dried, then I mount the tires, then we can mount the wheels on the frame. About the frame, this is not nice because there were the pilot, but later you will not see this horrible part. The frame is perfect, just a little bit here inside. And now that rims are dried, we can mount tires. And here we have our car on. Yes, we have our car, but there's a problem. This pinion, it doesn't cover all the teeth of the main gear, so I have to adjust, but I fear okay, this is perfect, but here not. I don't know why. Instructions are very clear about this, but there's this problem. You see here they say how to. Here is okay. I think that I will put something into this space, and something are 3 washers, the one for the wheels. So undo. And washers are very good because they make frictions and they don't stop the turning shaft. Later I will lubricate with a WD-40. That is my favorite RC lubricant for external parts because I love it. A little bit of play, just a little bit, and once again. Friends, for today this is all. The car is almost finished except for the pilot, but this will be in another video. This is the aspect of the car, the finished car, with stickers, all the pieces renewed, glasses in order, the rims painted, and so on. From the next video we work to make the car running, and we start from the radio, and for this you will have a special video about the old way to drive cars with radio control. So you will see it's quite fun because it was a lot different from today. By now, don't comment, don't like, don't subscribe, and I want to see if you really don't comment, don't like, and don't subscribe. Up to the next. Ciao!